Okay, how are you? How's your week? What is with that sharp teeth, sharp mouth? Any test results back already? Do you have any tests? Got any tests? No? No. Lucky you.
Yeah, mental exams maybe on Monday, Thursday. I don't know which day.
Oh, okay. So what is your teacher teaching in school now?
Multiplication.
Division. Okay, can I have a quick check? Did you watch the video for week 8 and week 9 on the website? Have you watched yet?
Yeah.
You watched already? Which one? The week 8 or 9?
Yours? I don't know.
No, I mean the 88 tuition website. There is every lesson before you come, there is a video that you have to watch. If today is week 8, you have to watch week 8 video and every other video before week 8. So please do, okay? If you don't, you won't know what to catch up on for this particular lesson, because we'll be focusing on the problem sums and the methods and techniques. You won't have a clue how to go about doing it. Okay, so I remember last lesson I said that I'm gonna run through the timetable as well if we got the time, but I'm gonna squeeze in a few minutes to actually test you on your timetable. We did that for the twice, I think. You were performing well, but we have to go on to timetable 6, 7, 8. So 9 timetable, I already go through the shortcut. It should be easy if you remember, but anyway, I'll repeat later. Let's go on straight to the questions, and then as we go along, we'll see what you need to brush up on. Okay, little angel. Can you hear me? What is that?
Actually, I really like this one.
Okay, let's go on to the first one. We'll focus on grouping in sets today and solving word problems in groups in sets. Now, basically, it will involve division and multiplication as well, so it's going to get a little bit more challenging. All right, but we'll solve it step by step. Shall we try the first one? Let me move this up and move this down. Okay, so who's that? Oh, okay. All right. A shop was having a promotion for croissants. Do you know what's a croissant? It's actually a French name for I don't know if Singapore still have it. It's been a while since I go back, but then because of COVID lockdown, everything, a lot of businesses failed. I don't think I remember seeing Delifrance anymore. Do you know what's Delifrance? They sell specializing in croissants. Croissants is a French name for, you know, that dough that keeps swirling around. And then sometimes now they add in some interesting cream in between, sometimes hot dog, which tastes a bit weird. And then you've got every other flavors. I can't see you. Are you there? Yeah. Can we start doing? So usually people have croissants with eggs, egg mayonnaise croissant for breakfast or even for sandwich. I think they sell it in Coffee Bean now too. And Mr. What's that? Starbucks. Starbucks Coffee Bean. Starbucks, I'm not sure they have. Okay, never mind. Why do you keep sending me message? Let's try this one. Use your magic digital pen. Every 5 croissant bought, 1 extra will be given free. So it'll be best if you can draw out the diagrams and you will, I don't mean really draw a croissant, you can draw out in groups and you will actually see it better. So basically in a group of 5, let's say every 5 croissant, you got 1 free. So 5, 1 set, you got 1 free. Okay, if you want to put it like that also can. And she paid for 45. How many free croissants will she have? Now, if she got 45 croissants, how many groups will that be? So if she got, let's not add in the 1 first. Let's put the 1 aside. So let's just say she got every 5 set and she asked for 41. So let's say 30. Here there are 5. How many sets are there? 1 set is 5. So if she got 45, how many sets are there? How to find how many sets? Your timetable.
Times
How do you get 9?
times 5.
Very good. 45 divided by 5, you get 9. So every 9 sets you get, every 1 set you get 1 free, right? So can you take 45 divided by 5? Your answer is actually 9. I don't know what happened to my video. Let me
Mommy,
video. Okay, 1 set. Sorry, 1 set. So here we know that there are 9 sets. Now, basically 9 sets also means 9 free croissant. Okay, and handwriting. So I'm gonna sorry, I'm gonna draw this out. Okay, 1 group, 5 free croissants. 5 croissant, you get 1 free, and 9 groups, you'll be 9 free. Simple, straightforward. Am I too fast? There we go. Second one, shall we try? You do your magic pen now. Show me your magic pen. Are you using mouse or pen? Mouse, right?
if I students in school sit in 5 groups.
You what? What did you say?
35 students in a school hall are seated in groups of 5.
Yeah, so what do you do?
Group donates 5 files.
So
Students donate in all.
So they want how many files?
I might have to divide this one and this one at first.
Okay, 35 divided by 5 at first. What is the answer? I hate using red.
35, 7.
Very good. Sorry, I don't like using red, so I'm going to change color. 35 divided by 5 give me 7. But then there are 7 groups. Each group has got how many? 5, right?
Yeah, and they
So
donated 5 files.
So 7 groups times.
7
Very
times
good.
5 was
And come back to the same.
answer in front.
35. Very good. Very straightforward. Okay. Good job. Number 3. Oops. Clear that off.
Oh my God.
You got 4 plates, cost $9. Asher bought 88. So how much did he pay? Oh my.
88 divided by 4.
Good. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. So 88 divided by 4, you get 22. What's next?
I can't find a dividing sign.
How much did he pay? So 22.
Now that 22 groups.
22 times.
Then 2 times 9.
Yeah, what's your answer?
Let me write it down. I'm not so sure. 22 times 22 times 9. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 9, 18 plus 1, 19. Ian's had $30. He spent 9 on some donuts were sold at $6 for 500 grams. What is the mass of donut they bought? Give your answer in grams. How am I supposed to do that?
Okay, first step first. Yen had $30. She spent all her money on some donuts. The donuts were sold at $6 for 200. So all of the 30 she spent on donuts. Each donuts, the donuts were sold at 6. 30 divided by 6 first. Answer. What's 30 divided by 6?
30. 5.
What's 30? Okay, 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now we know that there are basically 5 sets, or should I say 5 groups? Okay, so 5 groups. Each group is 200 grams. What was the mass?
So 5 times 200.
5
Is it
times
answer?
200. What is the mass of the donuts that he bought? The donuts were sold at $6 for 200. Yes. So
5
you've
times
got
200.
5 groups. Okay. So what? 5 times 200, you get 1,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So that will be 1,000 grams. Let me clear my.
So we forgot to put the dot.
No dot. There's no dot. You mean the comma, not a dot. Never put a dot. That will be seen like a decimal point. Okay, don't put a dot. All right, good. Next one.
Lisa wants to get 27 erasers for pupils. How much would you have to pay if erasers are sold at $8 for 8 or $3? Sounds. How much does she have to pay? I don't think Max. You have to do 72. You have to do 72. 2 divided by 8 and then times 13.
Yeah.
What?
Ooh.
I don't know
Almost
how to do this one.
Okay, let's take a look at the.
72
Hold on.
divided by 8. Then
Okay, first 72 erasers for your her pupils.
answer times 13.
Very good. 72 divided by 8 is. What's your answer? 72. Where's my mouse? 72 divided by 8. Forgive me. What's 72 divided by 8 first? Your fingers. Remember I taught you? Fingers. What times 8 give you 72? What times 8 give you 72?
9.
Yes. So then now you take 9 times 13.
Let me
So
do
13.
it by myself. Let me do it by
All right.
myself.
Okay, you do it then.
13 times 9, right?